beauties, so this is how you can prep your hair for knotless braid. As you can see, I'm going to be working with expression pre-stretch hair. So you want to grab something that is a flat surface. As for me, I'm using a torch here, and I'm sectioning this hair to a quantity I would like. This is according to the size of the braids I'm going to be braiding on this client. So depending on what size of knotless braid you're braiding, go ahead and section your hair little piece by piece, lay them down just the way I'm doing, nice and neat. So for this one, I'm gonna be needing 3 to 4 packs of hair, so I lay 3.5 pack. I love this method, guys. It really do save you a lot of time. This technique is meant to help you save time and finish on time, and not disturb your client to help you with the hair. Make sure you try this technique and thank me later. So I already started my client's hair and I'm halfway gone. I actually had a recorded video from beginning to the end, but the purpose of this video was to show you guys how to prepare your braiding extension for knotless braid, and I hope this video was helpful to you. So this is me halfway gone, and it's going on pretty easy and smooth. Thank you guys so much for watching. I know it's been a long time, but I'm here now. Guys, continue to like, continue to share, continue to subscribe if you haven't already. Join the family, you know. Let's, you know, explore some braiding and beauty skills together. I love you guys once again, and I will see you guys in my next one. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye.